Okay, we're going. Okay, everybody, we have Felicity. You remember Felicity? This, you had the abscess on your bottom, right?
Right.
That we drained. That's almost all healed up now, hasn't it?
It is. It's really healed.
Really good. All right.
Really
and obviously you're wearing a goofy mask so we can protect your identity. So that all healed up, but you came in today for a different reason, didn't you?
Yes.
Tell us what happened.
Sunday, late Sunday, I was going down the stairs in my house. And when I was going down the third step, I fall down and I hurt my whole.
You were going down the stairs, third step from the bottom.
Third step
2 days ago, right?
No, 3 days.
3 days
Sundays,
ago.
Yeah.
Sunday, so Monday. Today's Tuesday, so depends on how you count that. No, today's only Tuesday.
Is it really?
Yeah. Did you bump your head?
No.
Good.
All I hit,
Just making sure.
No, I just was flat in my on my side, my right hand side, and on my side was hurt. I was in pain.
In a lot of pain. We want to take a look at your injuries. Can you show everybody the injuries? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Stand up for us. Let me help you. There you go. Turn a little bit. There you are. First, let's just pull up right there, and you can see we've got some contusion here on the side. Now, we've x-rayed you, right? We x-rayed the lumbosacral spine to make sure that we didn't have any injury to the lumbar vertebrae. Why don't you unbutton and we'll show the gluteal area here. I'm going to hold you up in the middle. We want to kind of protect. You okay? All right. So you can see down here, guys, we've got a really big contusion. This is really sore. And if you look right down here, this is where Felicity's abscess was that we drained. That's almost all completely healed. So we're just real sore. We gave you a shot for pain, right?
Right.
Okay, and I'm going to give you some medicines too.
Correct.
And we're going to get you to take care of yourself and not fall.
Oh, that's something that I didn't want.
Right. Well, you know,
happen.
Falling in the home is a large source of injury for people, so we want to be careful. But it can happen to anybody, you know.
Yes.
All right.
I understand that. So
well,
I'm still in a lot of pain. But the shot is really helping me.
Good. The shot's already working.
It's really
wonderful. Did you ever picture yourself as a redhead before? You've got a redhead mask. All right, Felicity. Well, thanks for sharing your story with us today.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome.
There's some important Meta 7 announcement.
You want to try it again in English? Tell us about Meta 7.
Take Meta 7 once a day, and over the past, I think it's been 45 days. I'm not sure, but anyhow, I've lost about 20 pounds, from 235 down to 211, 212.
That's fantastic.
It's been good.
Yeah. How's your energy level?
It's fine.
It's good. Okay. All right. Fantastic. Well, thanks for a little testimonial on the Meta 7.
No problem.
Good morning, Misty.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing fantastic.
How are you liking your new job?
I love you guys.
Do you really?
Yes.
So, you're the new girl, right?
Yeah, I'm glad I was camera ready this morning.
Yeah, you look camera ready.
Thank you.
Check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit. It's compact in size with a leather case, perfect for traveling, and available on Amazon for under $20. See link below.